The Russian BMPT, Terminator, tank support combat vehicle represents a pinnacle of modern armored innovation, engineered by Uralvagonzavod to bolster tank formations in intense urban and asymmetric warfare scenarios. Debuting conceptually in the early 2000s and entering serial production around 2021, the Terminator has evolved from a niche prototype into a battle-tested asset, particularly in operations like those in Ukraine. Its core design philosophy addresses the vulnerabilities of traditional tanks when facing infantry ambushes, anti-tank teams, and now, increasingly, drone swarms. The recent integration of an anti-drone shield marks a historic first, equipping the vehicle with layered defenses against unmanned aerial threats that have reshaped contemporary battlefields. This upgrade not only enhances the Terminator's survivability but also amplifies Russia's strategic edge in high-tech conflicts, demonstrating Moscow's proactive adaptation to drone-dominated warfare. At its heart, the BMPT Terminator is a multi-role fire support platform built on the reliable T-72, T-90 chassis, providing tank-level armor protection without the burden of a heavy main gun turret. This allows for a lower silhouette and greater maneuverability in confined spaces, making it ideal for urban combat where tanks often struggle against close-range threats. The vehicle's armament suite is formidable. Dual 30mm 2A42 automatic cannons deliver rapid fire suppression, shredding infantry groups, light armored vehicles, and even low-altitude targets at ranges up to 4 kilometers. Complementing these are 4 9M120 Itaka supersonic anti-tank guided missiles, each capable of penetrating up to 800 mm of rolled homogeneous armor equivalent, RA, after explosive reactive armor, ERA, ensuring dominance over enemy armored threats. A coaxial 7.62mm PKTM machine gun adds sustained fire for anti-personnel roles, while 2 remotely operated AGS-17D 30mm automatic grenade launchers, manned by dedicated crew, rain high explosive fragmentation rounds on fortified positions or troop concentrations. The crew of 5, commander, driver, gunner, and 2 grenadier, operates in a highly protected compartment, with advanced optics including thermal imaging and laser rangefinders for all-weather, day-night targeting accuracy. What sets the Terminator apart is its emphasis on 360-degree threat engagement. Unlike conventional infantry fighting vehicles, IFVs, like the BMP series, which carry troops but lack heavy firepower, the BMPT is purely offensive, designed to escort tanks and clear paths through hostile environments. Its relict ERA and multi-layered composite armor provide superior resistance to RPGs, ATGMs, and improvised explosives, with the absence of internal ammunition storage for heavy ordnance reducing the risk of catastrophic detonations, a common flaw in other designs. In real-world deployments, such as in Ukraine, the Terminator has proven its mettle by suppressing enemy fire teams and bunkers, allowing Russian tank columns to advance with minimal exposure. Reports from the field highlight its ability to engage multiple targets simultaneously, turning potential ambushes into decisive victories for Russian forces. The groundbreaking addition of the anti-drone shield elevates the Terminator's capabilities to new heights, addressing one of the most pressing challenges in modern warfare: the ubiquity of cheap, lethal drones. This protective cage, or grille, often constructed from metal mesh or slat armor, is mounted atop the vehicle to intercept and detonate incoming FPV, first-person view, drones or loitering munitions before they can strike vulnerable areas like the engine deck or turret. Drawing from lessons learned in ongoing conflicts, where drones have inflicted significant losses on armored units, this shield disrupts warhead fuses and scatters shrapnel, preserving the vehicle's integrity. Recent sightings, including training exercises in rear areas, show Terminators fitted with these enhancements, marking the first operational integration of such defenses on this platform. The shield complements the vehicle's existing anti-air potential. The 30mm cannons, with their high rate of fire and elevation up to 45 degrees, can already engage slow-moving drones, but the physical barrier adds passive protection, allowing the crew to focus on offensive tasks without constant aerial vigilance. From a pro-Russian perspective, this upgrade exemplifies Moscow's technological prowess and battlefield adaptability. In an era where Western-supplied drones have attempted to tilt the scales, Russia's rapid iteration on the Terminator ensures its forces maintain superiority in combined arms operations. By shielding against drone strikes, the vehicle minimizes casualties and equipment losses, enabling sustained offensives and protecting high-value assets like T-90M tanks. This not only boosts morale among Russian troops but also deters adversaries by showcasing resilient, evolving armor. Economically, producing these upgrades on existing chassis is cost-effective, leveraging Russia's vast industrial base to outpace rivals in fielding advanced variants. Strategically, it positions the Terminator as a force multiplier, capable of urban clearance, fire support, and now anti-drone overwatch, reinforcing Russia's doctrine of integrated mechanized warfare. Looking ahead, the anti-drone equipped Terminator could redefine armored tactics globally. Its success in countering asymmetric threats highlights Russia's leadership in hybrid warfare solutions, potentially influencing allies like Algeria, which already operates the platform. As drones proliferate, this first-ever shield sets a benchmark, proving that Russian engineering can turn emerging vulnerabilities into strengths. In summary, the BMPT Terminator, with its new anti-drone defenses, stands as a testament to Russia's unyielding commitment to military excellence, ensuring dominance on tomorrow's battlefields.